Breakfast, roast breadfruit, ackee and saltfish, Jamaica style. Fire catch.
That me they asking me to say country style.
What?
Country style.
That can't use. Can't use that. Fruit. Watch this.
Fire blazing.
Watch this. Grill.
Huh? I eat me to use used to use cook dog food. The hamster cage.
Look. This.
You
You know what you take out this?
Yes, do it.
Simple. You must burst the bottom of the breadfruit.
Yeah. Catch it.
See that? See that? Yeah! Don't tell me about roast breadfruit like I ever roast a breadfruit.
In a shirt.
Morning start.
Alright? That's ready now, right? The next step we're going to do. Next step are the ackee and saltfish now. You did that then. You catch that?
Catching it.
Oh, tell me about roast breadfruit. Listen to me, man. You know what breadfruit me with a lens did? We don't do a lens and roast our 12 or a dozen breadfruit. With a lens and roast breadfruit about a dozen. Ackee and saltfish. No, no saltfish, chicken back. Couldn't afford saltfish. Yeah, fast one now? Yeah. See there? Some ackee and saltfish in the morning and roast breadfruit. Real breadfruit. Cold stove. Cold stove. What do you about? Aye. Put on the water for the saltfish you meant to.
One, yeah. I always tell us you don't need coal to start on fire. Yeah. No, like when we used to use the coal pot, they used to say we need coal. I never need the coal.
Your mother know about fire? Don't if your mother ever light a coal wood fire in her life. You know? Roast breadfruit. A long time I do this now.
Other pot on the fire. What is do it? Saltfish? Saltfish do it? Saltfish on the fire. Please like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment down below. You want some of the food because the order for you know. Just look at that food.
Onion, tomato.
Yeah,
Well, you spend enough time in a field.
yeah. Oh yeah, chicken and bread fruit. Yeah,
Ready?
water.
Mother.
Purple pot with water.
Mother. Until smoke.
Smoke wicked man. Smoke a kick. See that now? Okay, ready.
Salt smell good though. Tell Skelly and say me don't waste time. Onion and Skelly and waste your time. Waste my time. Onion and Skelly. Skelly and today? Oh, onion. The prepping look pretty. Eh?
We can't talk.
Of course, when you can talk. Prepping look pretty done. Who prep it, do it? Or who prep it?
The mother.
The one and only Annie. Of course. Do it, what you just put in there?
Sweet pepper, everything.
Sweet pepper, everything salt, okay? Do I throw away something? Here's the thing, okay. You have ackee, it's saltfish, scallion, scallion in there, onion, thyme, tomato, sweet pepper.
Alright, come on, look. Feeling breadfruit, man.
Fire blazing. Ah. No. Well, I'm not vibrate. I'm not shell on if you show you. So do I too.
That's what I meant.
No. Boy, look a bit of bigger in there.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
You know in there.
Show me, show me. What's up, guys? On some idiot. They look good.
Look closer.
Come on.
No. White heart, trust me. It is white heart.
Then you screw me down there.
Look at the fire. Mm-hmm.
No, I look up over
The plate and the spoon.
Plate and a spoon them.
Wow. It's like how it now you around the floor with the hot
Yes, guys, we got the breadfruit. Yeah, man. Breadfruit. And the aki. Good, you guys. Breadfruit.
Wait. Man. What was
Yeah, I've got black shoes with black.
black shoes with black color?
Don't like a neck one.
What the move from your song? Shoes that ever got?
No, sir.
Oh.
Yeah. No, put it, no, put it down. Thank you. You're shocking all right. Food been looking good. Taste test. Let us see. Oh, it is a smoke. I'm going to make face. It tastes 200. And saltfish and breadfruit. Alright.
Get mad at this. Come, Olive, get mad at this. Olive. Yes, a plate. Plate, one more plate. One more plate. Where plate there?
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, this way. Yes, guys, look there.
You know, the jaw with one eye, black. The jaw with one eye.
So you go up. Up. The waiter.
What is this?
You Shanika, better know your food.
How?
Yes, guys, this is the time when I appear, when it's eating time.
Only that time.
How's it? Take it off.
No.
You know, I'm gone. He's still there.
Who is?
So where's mine?
See yours there, sir. What? At.
Ah,
Food have a blessing now.
Can you come in and say, could I lift up black?
of course.
Oh, what? You're not saying.
Amen.
Everybody sit down at the fireside. You can never roll them, man.
Man.
Tastes good, don't man?
Breadfruit turn, you know. So you know, say it's sweet. This is the time I come in.
Every time.
When it's eating time.
You know.
Baby? Guys? Food turn up.
Long time never breadfruit.
If this is nice one more time.
You couldn't eat it.
Couldn't eat it.
I have to keep it for season it.
Breadfruit turn. No. What's the matter then?
Yeah.
Right, Shaki, mash up the food.
You see when me come in?
No food
When
time.
I eating time. If I hear this.
Okay.
Up to the neck. Breakfast nice.
Soft and buttery. What breakfast no come wake up to? Huh?
No, add my hot now.
Oh, those dark with background.
It's nice.
You take time to get food there already.
Put that already.
Yeah, long time with my kids. That is too sweet.
See, but it's very nice.
Okay.
Very long to keep it. Nice.
Was very good, nice.
One of them too.
Now where are you?
What's Shaki? Shaki, I'm looking like
Watch
myself.
it,
Man, just a minute, want to camera soon for me, I know.
Why?
watch it, plate.
You want to mash up the food like you have to mash it? You have to eat like a knife.
Mash it up, man. Show your real self.
It's like, yeah, I'm mash up Shanika when I smell it funny. And Shanika said, but actually full.
Shanika, look on Shaki, mom.
Smell it funny.
I see you want Shanika, but
And she a manage food, I food a manage
I really do. Come back and come back.
I food a manage she.
But yeah, too much.
Mm.
I take care for like big.
I got food too.
That much food to them.
The amount that you take. And me, when everybody know me, and if I my plate, I have to shut it down.
One day, grind that tomato mash up.
How many bottles of people could have full?
You had to have grind and I tomato. You right now you win the KFC challenge. Because Chad not finished in June. So yes, babes, food tastes good, everything. Chef do it, you know, if you don't know.
I'm a tell down man.
I tell them
My
to
belly full
And
and
if you
now
look at my
hold
plate,
on.
I have to shell down.
Shanika barely touch
Belly
the food
full.
and her belly full. So the food tastes good. Food tastes good, man. Thanks to it.
Out and
Breakfast.
out and about.